Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Summer and today I have a little mini makeover for you guys to share with you. Actually, two mini makeovers because I am going to be sharing with you two little refreshes of some bathroom spaces that I did. These are a current client you've seen me work on before, the Cuppingers. They're amazing. And you saw me make over their dining room, their living room, and their kitchen. And if you didn't have the chance to check that out, you should go and check it out because we're going to be doing a lot of makeovers in their space. We're like redoing their whole house here. But if you didn't get a chance, go check it out. The video is up here. And they kind of have this like coastal farmhouse vibe. We didn't want to remodel or do anything crazy, but we did just like a little mini refresh in both their kids' bathroom and their own bathroom. So check out what I did in here. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please help out your girl and subscribe to my channel below to see more awesome, fun, and interior design videos just like this one. There's Rosie. Let's head on over to the Cuppingers in beautiful Hermosa Beach. How incredible are these views? After checking out the guest bathroom, I knew that we needed to give this place some life and some personality. The Cuppingers did not want to like fully gut this bathroom. We wanted to work with what we have. We're doing some other major projects in their house, so we were just going to liven this place up with some fresh paint and some decor and work with what we have. Based on this space, I came up with a mood board for the overall design theme. The rest of their home has this kind of like coastal modern farmhouse, so I wanted to continue that throughout this space. This is the kids' bathroom, but it's also a guest bathroom, so it needs to be appealing when their guests come over. I am standing in a guest bathroom that belongs to Rachel and Eric. You got to see me make over their whole kitchen, their dining room, and their living room, where we did this like very pretty coastal farmhouse vibe in there. And we are continuing with our makeovers in their home, starting with the kids' bathroom. This is upstairs. It's also used as a guest bathroom, and it just needs a little refresh in here. We're gonna freshen it up with some white fresh paint. We're gonna do like some painting on the cabinets here. I am gonna just keep the countertops as is. I was kind of looking into like some tutorials on how we could redo the cabinets, but I am worried about wear and tear and durability and how long it would last. So we're gonna keep this. I'm gonna show you how to update this bathroom by just changing out the wall color, a little bit of paint, a little bit of the decor. We're gonna switch up our light fixture and mirror, and it's gonna look great, so stay tuned. I have this really pretty green cascade color by Sherwin-Williams, and I'm painting the cabinets, and I think it's going to make this countertop look so much better and just fresher. I've got all of our white paint up, and yeah. Painting this cabinet green really changed everything. I did make a last minute decision and decided to paint this mirror black instead of getting a new one. In my opinion, this bathroom needed more work than the kids' bathroom. This actually is their master bathroom, and it's downstairs, so it felt really dark in here and kind of like that basement vibe. It really needed a refresh, and again, we aren't like remodeling everything, but they only had this small pedestal sink, and I knew immediately that had to go. I convinced them that they must have a new vanity that could also serve as some storage. I came up with a mood board for kind of the overall theme and vibe for the space. I wanted to add some blues and some fresh white in there and some natural textures and just kind of give this place some life. I'm in Rachel and Eric's bathroom, and I'm going to be getting ready to paint and spruce this place up in here. I'm all taped up, and we're gonna keep things simple in here. We're not like remodeling anything, but they had this like little pedestal sink that we are replacing with a pretty new vanity. We've got a new mirror medicine cabinet thing coming. We're gonna hang a shelf, and we're gonna do some like minimal ways in which we can update and modernize this bathroom without completely gutting it and remodeling. am all taped up here. And just a little side note, have you ever used this green frogs tape, painter's tape? It is by far the best, and it's a little more expensive, but definitely worth it. This vanity was a must. The other one had to go, and it changed everything. I found some great finds at Home Goods to spruce up both of the bathrooms, and I think it's just going to add so much to it. Even just changing up some of your decor items in the bathroom will really help freshen your space. Having tools like a laser level will really be so helpful when putting things up, like hanging a towel bar. So I actually borrowed this for far too long now from a friend. I owe it back to him. I promise I'm going to give it back. Face is like literally peeling off, but be on my mind. Why am I doing it? Are you going? Yeah. Oh. What are you? You want to be on camera, Rosie? Rosie, don't you want to be